Hej kantor, naglasan,
Radio CAYB,
Hej kantor, naglasan,
Radio CAYB.
Hello and welcome to week 49 of Radio CAYB.
Yes, Scott, and welcome to week 49 of Radio CAYB, and we hope you enjoyed last week's show. Yes, Scott?
Yes, dear.
The interview last week, gone.
Lewis and Kate 3.
We interviewed Lewis from Kate 3. Yes, Scott?
Yeah.
We got all of our features for you this week, such as a mystery song. What's a mystery song got?
5 different songs.
And then from 5 different decades. Yes, Scott?
Yes, dear.
We also got our history as well with us, and we also got Garage as well with Ethan. Yes, Scott?
Yes, dear.
We also got a new feature this week, haven't we got?
Yeah.
And this feature suggested by who, Don?
Dion.
King Tree, yes, go on.
Yeah, dear.
What's the feature called, Don?
Mystery Sound.
And it's called the Mystery Sound, yes, go on.
Yes, dear.
And we'd like to thank Dion and King Tree for suggesting this feature, yes, go on.
Yes, dear.
And we also got Lacey here with her charts as well, yes, go on.
Yeah.
Max and Peter are also here, go on.
Yeah.
What they got in school for us today, go on.
Sport news.
And yes, and we also got our interview for this week as well, though. Who's a special guest this week, go on?
And Dab.
And he's a DJ, yes, go on.
Yeah.
We'll be chatting to him later on the show, yes, go on.
Yes, dear.
So we're going to start off with which song, go on? It's from the 80s, yes, go on.
Yeah.
What's the song called, go on?
Been out by Joe Jackson.
We hope you enjoy the song, and then after this, we'll have the mystery song, yes, go on.
Yes, dear.
Dressed in pink and blue, just like a child.
song was Deafened Out by Joe Jackson.
Yes, go on. And now we've got our mystery song coming up now. Yes, go on.
Yeah.
So our mystery song is that we play 5 different songs. Yes, go on.
Yeah.
From 5 different decades. Yes, go on.
Yeah.
Here comes the mystery voice.
Mystery voice. Mystery voice.
Here's our first song for this week.
Song number 2 for this week.
Skin our knees, goodbye my friend.
Song number 3 for this week.
You haven't got could be.
Song number 4 week. And move it all around. Shake your head to the sound.
Song number 5 this week.
Got the sound effect.
Yes, we all hope you got all those songs correct this week. Yes, go on.
Yeah.
And our next song here now on Radio CAYB is go on.
Red Light Danger.
And that's by Billy Ocean. Yes, go on.
Yeah.
And who requested this? Go on.
When?
I would like to thank Gwrandewch for requesting this track. Yes, go on.
Yeah.
And also the Addysg is coming up right after this. Yes, go on.
Yeah.
This is the history. This is the history. The last song was Red light spells danger. Hope you enjoy that. Sean? Now, history. So, I'm not going to continue about what it is. I'm just saying that we got a history about, we're going to Beaumaris today in Wales, Anglesey. It's a great history because one other person, I think King Tree, told me to do a history about a person, if I'm right. So, here we are. So the history today is Janet Bell, by a history of Janet Bell history in Beaumaris. Involves opening her gallery and lifestyle stored in late 2007, moving from near Chester to connect with Welsh landscapes and building a successful business featuring arts with Scandinavian and Welsh infusion, growing from a small family venture to a team of 9 by 2017, deeply rooted in the Anglesey community. 2007, Janet and her husband Sean moved to Beaumaris, opening the Janet Bell Gallery lifestyle store, just days after arriving, establishing it as a hub for art and homeware. Early years, she leveraged her experience as a professional artist and work with major retail like Habitat to creating unique brand growth plus expansion 2007 to 2017. The business expanded, adding a second shop, developing new range and growing their team significantly. By the 10th anniversary in 2017, supported by a loyal local following, drawing inspiration from the Anglesey and Swan landscapes, including Eryri, Snowdonia and Menai Straits. She's created distinct collections, including watercolours inspired by local lockdown walks, noted in her book 5 Mile. Style: her work blends contemporary art with Scandinavian design, reflecting her half-Danish heritage and love for Wales. Her connection to Beaumaris, probably everyone wondering why and what is her connection to Beaumaris, right? Well, I'll tell you what is her connection to Beaumaris. I'll tell you. Now then, her connection to Beaumaris is, Janet Bell is now synonymous with the vibrations art scene in Beaumaris, known for her distinctive arts, homewares and welcoming gallery that celebrate the beauty of North Wales. Wow, that's a brilliant one. So, you're probably saying, who is or who was Janet Bell? An English former middle distance runner who specialised in 800 metres, but not who you thought it is. No, she was running until 2007, and then she was Janet Bell, the artist. So, are Janet Bell's prints valuable? How much does a Janet Bell cost? Janet Bell's work has been offered at auction multiple times, with realized prices ranging from $6 to $850, depending on the size and medium of artwork. Wow. If you want to go to Beaumaris, there's a shop in Beaumaris, a very good shop of Janet Bell. It's all about Janet Bell. We've got a lot of pictures, coasters, and all kind of stuff. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this history about Janet Bell, the artist, all the way from Beaumaris, I think. And the next song is going to be a song from Lacey, Ariana Grande, I think. So I'll let you as a surprise today of which song that she's going to pick to you. So I hope you enjoy this history, and I'll see you next week with more some history. Next week we'll be going to, I think we're going to Ireland, all the way to Ireland. Anyway, I'll talk more about that next week. So, goodbye for now, and I'll see you next week. Next song is going to be Ariana Grande, and it's a surprise of which song, because Lacey's going to pick it. So, goodbye, and I'll see you next week.
What did you believe you found out? It all begins when we get afraid. Why do you believe it now? It's just the winds of a renegade. 'Cause you think we'll all let it go. And now you buy your own lie. But now you've lost all credibility. Now you're just the enemy.
Here's Great American Railroad Journeys with Ethan.
Welcome back to Great American Railroad Journeys. We'll be in California for a while, as we'll be going from Oakland 16th Street Station to Bakersfield Station. Starting at Oakland, take the Amtrak Gold Runner, formerly the San Joaquins, to Bakersfield. Now rewind back to 1941, and you're on the San Joaquin Daylight, sporting RPO, baggage, coach, dining, and parlor observation car. Of course, that's why we could go to LA, but we went with Bakersfield, because the Gold Runner, previously the San Joaquins, terminates at Bakersfield. We can't go anymore because of the Tehachapi Loop. On to locus of note, because we gotta know what the loco is. The locos are 462s, or Pacifics. There are 14 bill, numbers 2478 to 2491. The Pacifics used to pull trains from San Francisco to LA, from Sacramento to El Paso, and from Sparks to Ogden. Ends up being demoted to California local services. 3 of them, that being 2484 to 2485, are done up in the semi-streamlining with some side skirts for the San Joaquin Daylight. And finally, one survived, number 2479, undergoing restoration at the Santa Clara County Fairgrounds. But today you're on the Gold Runner. The dining car are replaced by coffee shop cars, and later automats, and as of now, vending machines for venture cars by Siemens. At Bakersfield, you can stretch your legs for the connecting train to LA, or if there's any, or a bus. And remember the orange and red semi-streamlined Daylight. The trip will take you 6 hours and 12 minutes and cost £111, or £1.69 in 1941 money. The locus of no answer is the Southern Pacific's P10 class Pacifics. Next up is Lacey's Music Shots, but before then, go see 2479, or what's left of it under restoration, at the Santa Clara County Fairgrounds in San Jose, California.
And number 10, we got As It Was by Harry Styles. At number 9, we got Say Yes to Heaven by Lara Del Rey. At number 8, we got Given Me by Jazzy. At number 7, we got Eyes Closed by Ed Sheeran. At number 6, we got React by Ella Henderson. At number 5, we got Calm Down by Rema and Selena Gomez. At number 4, we got Tattoo by Laureen. At number 3, we got Wish You the Best by Luz Capaldi. At number 2, we got Daylight by David Kushner. And at number 1, we got Miracle by Ellie Gordon.
Thank you, Lacey, for the chat.
Yeah, we'd like to thank Lacey for her charts this week, it's gone. Yeah. And now here on Radio CAYB, if you're wondering why me and Dawn are here, it's gone. Yeah. And we've got a brand new feature for us to show you, yes, gone.
Yeah.
We'd like to thank Gail and Kingtree for suggesting this feature, yes, gone. Yeah. And it's called The Mystery Sound. So we are going to be playing a different sound, and you have to guess which sound it is.
Here's our sound for the week.
Hey, okay, so did you guess what that sound was? I think you all might get it by now. We'll reveal the sound in the mystery song answers, yes, go on. Yeah. And our next song here is Spectre by Fleur de Lis, yes, go on. Yeah. And then after this, here's Ocean with news around the school.
In Kabla, mi hafod i'n glyma. A phan mae'r niwl yn cuddio'r wawr, a mae bob beiliad yn teimlo dda awr, cydian dyn mewn ffawd rhwng dyfus a bawd. Ma' na reswm nes i matha chdi nôl, a ma' na reswm pam nes i ddim dod. Mae'n siŵr bod chdi'n meddwl bod rhywbeth yn bod, ond ma'n iawn, dwi di ffeindio'n sbectol. Ma' na reswm nes i matha chdi nôl, a ma' na reswm pam nes i ddim dod. Mae'n siŵr bod chdi'n meddwl bod rhywbeth yn bod, ond ma'n iawn, dwi di ffeindio'n sbectol. Dwi'n sori na nes i'm sylweddoli dy fod i wedi gyrru'r glwm a draw i mi ers tro. Dwi'n byw mewn byd breuddwydio, o coelio fi pan dwi'n deutha chdi fy mod i'n deud y gwir pan o'n i'n hir hebdda chdi. Dos na mi, o dwi'm isio dy feddwl di grwydro, cos dwi'n gwneud hyn i fy hun bob tro. Dor y gyfla i mi gael y gliro. Ma' na reswm nes i matha chdi nôl, a ma' na reswm pam nes i ddim dod. Mae'n siŵr bod chdi'n meddwl bod rhywbeth yn bod, ond ma'n iawn, dwi di ffeindio'n sbectol. Ma' na reswm nes i matha chdi nôl, a ma' na reswm pam nes i ddim dod. Mae'n siŵr bod chdi'n meddwl bod rhywbeth yn bod, ond ma'n iawn, dwi di ffeindio'n sbectol.
From around the school.
The last one was Spectre by Fleur de Lis. Hope you enjoyed that song. Now I've got news on the school. So, let's see what's going around the school this week, shall we? So, Kane 3 and Kane's Pimp, our class, has enjoyed doing music DJ with Endav. Not just because I enjoyed it, everyone's enjoyed it. It's a brilliant one, isn't it? A brilliant Endav, wasn't
yes,
it?
Yes, it is. Yes, Ocean.
Yeah.
And guess what? We've got a little surprise coming up for you after.
Yeah.
Oh, awesome.
Yeah. So, I wonder who is that then, shall we? Now then, number 2, there is a cafe on Friday, and the cafe we have, pasta baked Cajun chicken. That's what I'm gonna have, I think. Number 3, Mrs. Thomas played in indoor hockey in Bangor tournament. Well done. Number 4, there's rugby on Wednesday, 3:15 until 4:15. But sadly, I haven't been for the last couple of weeks. Cause anyway, moving on. Number 5, there is youth club on Thursday at 6:30 until 8:30 in Holyhead, and also we got 2 youth clubs in Holyhead, one in Library and one in Jesse Hill Centre. So, hope you enjoyed this news on school, and hope everyone has enjoyed going to club, having coffee and everything. So the next song we're going to have, David V1, Howleyville. Hope you enjoy that song, and I'll see you next week. Goodbye.
Rwyt ti'n edrych ar fy llun mewn cydymdeimlad. Rwyt ti'n gofyn pa mae hyn yn gorfod bod. Rwyt ti'n colli ambell ddeigryn o dosturi, ac rwy finnau'n ofni gweld y fori'n dod. Ond fe'm ganwyd unau'n fab i fy rhieni, ac mi glywais ddweud fod pawb yn blant i Dduw. Rwy'n frawd i ti a thithau'n frawd i minnau, o pam na chaf i hefyd hawl i fyw. Do mi welais y gwleidyddion yn mynd heibio, a phob un yn ysgwyd pen mor ddoeth mor ddwys. Ac mi welais yr offeiriad yn penlinio, cyn fy mhasio am nad wyf i neb o bwys. Ond fe'm ganwyd unau'n fab i fy rhieni, ac mi glywais ddweud fod pawb yn blant i Dduw. Rwy'n frawd i ti a thithau'n frawd i minnau, o pam na chaf i hefyd hawl i fyw. O fe fi mi'n chwarae unwaith gyda'n ffrindiau, ond fe gwelais nhw yn mynd o un i un. Mi gollais yn had un nos a mam un bore, am gadael unau ar fy mhen fy hun. Ond fe'm ganwyd unau'n fab i fy rhieni, ac mi glywais ddweud fod pawb yn blant i Dduw. Rwy'n frawd i ti a thithau'n frawd i minnau, o pam na chaf i hefyd hawl i fyw. Ond mi glywais rai yn sôn am fynydd menyn, ac mi glywais rai yn sôn am lynoedd llaeth. Ond mi o'n a fyddech chi sy'n Gristionolion yn caniatau gwastraffu bwyd a maeth, ac fe'm ganwyd unau'n fab i fy rhieni, ac mi glywais ddweud fod pawb yn blant i Dduw. Rwy'n frawd i ti a thithau'n frawd i minnau, o pam na chaf i hefyd, pam na chaf i hefyd, pam na chaf i hefyd hawl i fyw.
Okay, so our last song was Hwyliog, and now everyone, let's go.
Yeah.
Now we've got the mystery song answers for this week, and also our mystery sound answer. Yes, go.
Yeah, yeah.
So what was our first song for this week gone? Which is our 60 song gone?
In the Fire by Johnny Cash.
And our 70 song was Seasons in the Sun by Terry Jacks. Have you heard that one before, Gone?
No.
I think I have. And what was our 80 song gone?
A Tan by Albert Stand.
And our 90s song was Mambo Number 5 by Luke Vega. Yes, go on.
Yeah.
We all know that one, don't we, go on?
Yeah.
And what was our song from the North Seas gone?
My hip right thigh by the killer.
Okay, so we hope you got all the songs correct. Yes, go on.
Yeah.
And now we are going to reveal what was our mystery sound for this week. Yes, go on.
Yeah.
And what was our mystery sound for this week, go on?
The door.
Yes, it was a door opening and closing, wasn't it, on?
Yeah.
We'd like to thank Guillaume again for suggesting that feature this week. Yes, go on.
Yeah.
And the mystery sound and the mystery song will be back next week. Now here's Ocean with the leaderboard answers.
Now we've got the leaderboard. This week was, can you guess the football team from their football logo? Like Aston Villa and Man United and stuff. Number 8, we got Kerv. Music, we got 0 out of 15. Number 6, we got Canolfan, got 6 out of 15. Number 5, we got Kane Die, they got 7 out of 15. Number 4, we got Kane Scythe, we got 8 out of 15. Number 3, we got 9 out of 15, Kane Die, and Knuf Headway got 9 out of 15. It is gonna be Knuf Pimp, got 11 out of 15. And the first and champions for this week, we got Dyma, got 14 out of 15. Also, Canolfan got 14 out of 15. Canolfan got 14 out of 15. Ian got 14 out of 15. Kane Tree got 14 out of 15. Canolfan got 14 out of 15. Well done. And also Swiver got 14 out of 15. So, hope you enjoy this logo this week, this football logo, and I'll hope you enjoy the rest of the radio show. So, the next song is gonna be, this is a request for Ethan Bonnie from Kane's Pimp. This song is gonna be called Wellerman by the artist is Nathan Evans. So we'll finish off this leaderboard this week called Wellerman by Nathan Evans. Hope you enjoy the next one, and I'll see you next week.
There once was a ship that put to sea. The name of the ship was a Billy of Tea. The winds blew up her bow, up down, oh below my bully boys blow. Soon may the Wellerman come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tonguing is done, we'll take our leave and go. She'd not been 2 weeks from shore when down on her a right whale bore. The captain called all hands and swore he'd take that whale in tow. Soon may the Wellerman come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tonguing is done, we'll take our leave and go. Da 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 da. Before the boat had hit the water, the whale's tail came up and caught her. All hands to the side, harping and fought her when she dived down low. Soon may the Wellerman come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tonguing is done, we'll take our leave and go. No line was cut, no whale was freed. The captain's mind was not of greed, and he belonged to the whaleman's creed. She took that ship in tow. Soon may the Wellerman come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tonguing is done, we'll take our leave and go. Da 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 da. For 40 days or even more, the line went slack, then tight once more. All boats were lost, there were only 4, but still that whale did go. Soon may the Wellerman come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tonguing is done, we'll take our leave and go. As far as I've heard, the fight's still on. The line's not cut and the whale's not gone. The willow man makes his regular call to encourage the captain, crew and all. Soon may the willow man come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tonguing is done, we'll take our leave and go. Soon may the willow man come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tonguing is done, we'll take our leave and go.
Hello, welcome to the public news and the internet news. So, without the public news machine, we have Rest of the Wheels, we have Sunderland's Crystal Palace, Chelsea versus, we have Tottenham's West Ham, and we have Liverpool Bertie play tomorrow. So we have just sources on there. And we have some decent ideas films also tomorrow. And we have the next match on Sunday, Sunday match. We have Northwich Arsenal, Bolton Newcastle, Aston Villa Everton, and on the Monday match we have Racing Ormond. So at the Town Hall we have Arsenal on top of 48, 49 actually. Muncie got to 33. The same point is Aston Villa for 43. And Liverpool on 4 is not 35. But Liverpool got kept really stronger and badly the Chelsea got Liverpool 33. And we have Newcastle, another ladder with the Liverpool 32 because of Liverpool. We have Man United 32, Chelsea got 31, Fulham got 31. We have Sunderland versus got 7 got the 30 point. We've got ranked 29. Anderson got 29. This okay got 28. Spurs got 1 point ahead. Just the Palace at 2 points ahead. Everton and Risings and a 3 point ahead. December got 27 points. We have Bournemouth, what went to Spurs ahead? What is it? We have Nice United 22. And we have Northwood 22, 21. So we have got 20. Ready to drop 13. And Wolverhampton really well for got 7. So this is the 6 of round 4. In the round 4, the Hull City, which is Chelsea. College City, which is West Brom. Arsenal, which is the so Rotherham, West Ham. This is Leeds United. West Ham, which is it's the town which is Wolves. Seoul City, which is Wolves. Oxford 19, which is Sunderland. Saracens, which is Leicester City. And Malcolm, which is Rasters. Working, Bell Town. Newcastle. So we have Aston Villa, Newcastle. We have Powder, which is a consistently liberal writing. Down in the record, it's a be who can Man City either South City or Tuxedo Town. What's on the key? Who's in the key? In the future, that's two says. So that's it. There's a store news, the colonies and the HR. So subscribe to me to gear, subscribe to bash the cameraman.
Today is gonna be the day that they're gonna throw it back to you. By now you should have somehow realized what you gotta do. I don't believe that anybody feels the way I do about you now. Backbeat, the word is on the street that the fire in your heart is out. I'm sure you've heard it all before, but you never really had a doubt. I don't believe that anybody feels the way I do about you now. And all the roads we have to walk are winding, and all the lights that lead us there are blinding. There are many things that I would like to say to you, but I don't know how. Because maybe you're gonna be the one that saves me. And after all, you're my wonderwall. Today was gonna be the day, but they'll never throw it back to you. By now you should have somehow realized what you're not to do. I don't believe that anybody feels the way I do about you now. And all the roads that lead you there were winding, and all the lights that light the way are blinding. There are many things that I would like to say to you, but I don't know how. I said maybe you're gonna be the one that saves me. And after all, you're my wonderwall. I said maybe you're gonna be the one that saves me. And after all, you're my wonderwall. I said maybe you're gonna be the one that saves me. You're gonna be the one that saves me. You're gonna be the one that saves me.
Getting to know you know all about you.
That song was Wonderwall by Old David.
And that's a good song, isn't it?
Yeah.
So now we've got our interview for this week. Come on, we go on. We've got DJ Nghanolf here with us today. Hello, Nghanolf.
Hello, pal. Iawn, lovely to be here. Thank you for having me on the show.
You're welcome.
How long you been DJing?
Oh, I've been DJing a very long time, so let me do the maths. I'm 35 now. I started when I was about 16, so over half my life ago.
Wow.
So yeah, if you do anything for long enough, you get good at it eventually.
Ang cwestiwn i chi Nghanolf ydy, beth yw'r genre ffyrdd o Cev?
O, genre, favourite fi, o, ta be, mae'n dibynnu yn y situation de, dwi bob tro rhwng, dwi'n wrth modd efo the house music, eitha club music, pethau fel la, dwi'n licio DJ pan dwi allan, ond pan dwi adra ar ben fy hyn, dwi'n lefo chdi bach o neo soul a R&B, pethau fel la, pethau chilled. So mae'n dibynnu pa ddwrnod ti'n gofyn fi. Dwi'n teimlo rei chilled heddiw, so dwi am mynd am ryw soul, dwi'n meddwl.
What's your favourite genre of music, Don?
House.
House, yes.
Love it.
What about you, Lacey?
Pop, dance.
What about you, Wash?
Rock.
Good taste, my boys.
Yeah.
Very good taste of me.
My fi ydy 80s pop. Yes, go on.
Yeah.
What is your most requested song?
Well, Joe, at the moment this year, the most requested song I've got to say is Pink Pony Club. Everyone always asks for that song, every gig I do. So I make sure I've got it ready to go.
Of course, yes, go on.
Faint oed wyt ti pan o'ch chi wedi cael y DJ kit?
O, cwestiwn da. So ges i set o decks gyntaf fi pan o'n i ryw 16. A wedyn dwi wedi bod yn upgradeio ers yna, so mae o yn money pits. Dwi'n gwario lot o pres ar kits, dwi'n methu helpu fan hyn. Ond ia, o'n i'n 16, so amser hir yn ôl.
Wow.
Would you rather spend the night in the mountain or a cruise ship?
Oh, ta be, dwi wedi bod yn fancy wneud cruise a spell wan, dwi wedi gael chance i wneud eto, so dim ond rhaid fi fynd am cruise ship on the high seas.
Beth ydych chi mynd ar cruise ship, Nghanolf?
O, so sy'n mynd na ryw Caribbean cruise bach, dwi'n meddwl.
Ydych chi DJ o'r cruise ship?
Sy'n ni'n beth, sori?
DJ o'r...
DJ ar y cruise ship, ei, mae hwnna rhaid fi sticio hwnna ar y bucket list, dwi'n meddwl, sy'n ni'n lyfio DJ ar y cruise ship.
So, chwethed cwestiwn i chi wan ydy, pa DJ ydych chi fyny ar?
O, iawn, pa DJ ydych chi fyny ar, cwestiwn da. O rhaid fi fynd am un o'r OGs, dwi'n meddwl be am Fatboy Slim. Mae'n dod i wneud gymaint o tracks dros y blynyddoedd, a oedd o'n hyn pan ni'n hogyn bach, dwi'n siŵr, so, Fatboy Slim, mae o yn uffar o fwy.
Where is the biggest crowd you had DJing and why?
Oh, the biggest crowd I've DJ'd, I did warm up for David Iwan at Eisteddfod yr Urdd a couple of years ago, and there were thousands and thousands of people there. So that was definitely the biggest crowd, and yeah, that was amazing. I don't know how many people there, but we're talking thousands. And another one recently was I was in like some O2 Arena somewhere in Manchester. There was a couple of thousand there, and I was doing the YMCA on stage. So yeah, that was a lot of fun as well.
Cool.
Pa tîm wyt ti'n licio, pa chwaraeon wyt ti'n licio?
O, so fyddai bob tro'n supportio Cymru, obviously pan maen nhw'n chwarae pêl-droed a rygbi, ond i ddeud y gwir, dwi'n mwy o boi Formula 1. So dwi'n really dilyn lot o ffwbol, ond dwi'n massive ar Formula 1 a motorsport, so that's my thing. A dwi jyst yn licio gweld yr underdogs cyrra bob tro. So dwi'n licio gweld pan mae rhywun jyst yn dominate bob, dwi'n licio pan mae rhywun yn un o'r underdogs yn ei ti.
A ti'n meddwl ddech chi?
O, ta be, dwi yn fan o Red Bull. Ges i actually, dwi wedi bod yn DJ o chydig bach efo Red Bull blwyddyn yma. Dwi am trio blagio ffordd fi fewn i Silverstone, dwi'n meddwl, trwy contact Red Bull fi blwyddyn yma. So, fingers crossed, gai weld Verstappen ar tîm yn ei ti.
Can you tell us more about your radio show you do? Where could I find it, please?
Oh, okay, good question. Yeah, I was just telling you earlier, I do have a show on Radio CAYB, so it's a new station that's been set up last year. So yeah, I'm every other Friday at 3 o'clock my show is. So the next one will be this Friday, and you can catch it if you just go on Radio CAYB. You can catch it there online.
Diolch. Cwestiwn o fi heddiw yma, pa gam ddech chi isio goffa'r offer sio heddiw yma?
O ia, gyda fi tiwn iddyn ni de. Be am i ni gael Jamiroquai Little L?
Iawn, so gawn ni Jamiroquai gan Little L, a gyda gan diolch i Endaf wrth yma'n dod i mewn.
Hey, spot on, diolch yn fawr am gael fi, boys. Diolch yn fawr.
Thank you, Anda.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And we'll see you next week for week 50 of Radio CAYB. Let's go.
Yeah.
So take care for now.
Freaking out, trying to get your head around the fact that me and you in love is dead. See how I'm tripping now, 'cause you can't decide what you really want from me. Why does it have to be like this? I can never tell, 'cause you make me love you, baby, with a little L. Shouting out, cranking up your altercations, getting upset in your desperation, screaming and hollering. How can this love become so paper thin? You're playing so hard to get, you're making me sweat just to hold your attention. I can't give you nothing more if you ain't giving nothing to me. Don't you know that? You make me love you, baby, with a little L. Why does it have to be like this? I can never tell. Seems like you're stepping on the pieces of my broken shell, 'cause you make me love you, with a little L, you know. That's the way you make me love you, yeah.
Okay, so we hope you've enjoyed this week's edition of Radio CAYB, and we will see you next week. Bye for now.
Bye.
Radio CAYB.